Alright guys, so today we've got a Roboup mower. It's the boundary wire free, and got it at auction for 150 bucks. Well, after taxes it came out to like 180. So now we get to, I opened it up when I picked it up from the auction place. But now we get to find out if everything's there, if it all works. I did power up the mower and make sure that worked when I was there. But, it looked like it was pretty much brand new. So, hopefully, this is as good as it looks like it is. Alright, so we got the mower out of the box. This is the GPS pole, RT something or other. I'm just going to put it together. And let's see if we get this lined up right. All right. That's together. We've got the base station down in here and a ton of wire. That ought to be fun to get all figured back out, huh? All right, so I'm thinking everything looks like it's here. All right, so this is after I recorded out in the yard. I didn't get the setup of setting up the base and the whatever that station's called, the RTX, RTK. Why do I keep saying X? But it was pretty simple. The station has a little screw-on spike you put on the bottom of it, and you just jab that sucker in the ground, connect the cable from that to the top cable on the back of the base station, charging station, and then the power cord you plug into an outlet, and you run that over to the base station, and that plugs into the lower cable on the back. It was really easy. There was I had it set up originally back up against the fence, and it was too close to the house. So the RTK station got signal from the satellites, but the robot didn't. Other than that, I moved it out by the telephone pole in the backyard, and it works fine now. So that was where we're at now. A little bit more on that in the video that comes after this. Here we go, guys. It's actually mowing. I didn't get my whole yard mapped out. It ended up lifting up, which caused a problem, and so the map is a little bit messed up as it's driving way past where it's supposed to go. But the base station used to be over there. It didn't have good signal, so I had to move it to out here, more in the middle. And now we're see what it does. I'm definitely gonna have to redo the map.
We're gonna have it sunrise. Heading height. I'll hit the rocks. Oh. You barely hear that. The lake's in the bottom. Actually, stop right here. One more. Yeah, it doesn't. The area back is narrow. Just go, go.
Alright guys, here goes round 2. I remapped the backyard. And let's see how it does now. Last time it had lifted up a little bit, which caused it to have problems. So, and there's a possibility I didn't understand you were supposed to hit start, although I'm pretty sure I did. So, but anyways, it seems to be working all right now. First cut, the grass is it's pretty long. It's been about a week and a half. So we'll see how she does. All right, and what do we think we should name her? Or should it be a him? Who knows? What didn't it like about that? Didn't like that thick, whatever weed that is. That was interesting. Okay, so it has, I guess, finished its first pass, and now it seems to be going back and hitting spots that it missed. It's just like random spots it's driving to and remowing them. Kind of weird. Honestly, doesn't seem to be helping the situation out. Nevertheless, it's doing it. And see, it'll shut off again now. It still hasn't done around the edge yet. See, just shut off the mower again. And now it's going to go drive to another spot. It did get stuck in a spot on the lawn. Right here, there's a hole. And the front wheel got stuck in it, so I got to get some dirt and bury that in. And now it's mowing another spot. The only thing I can see is maybe it's going to get stuck in that hole again. Yep. Don't do that, it's dangerous. That's gonna get stuck in the hole again. Well, I guess not. The only thing I can see anyways, with it coming back, it must have thought it had a wider pass. And it's coming back and hitting those spots. But meanwhile, like over here, there's this whole piece of grass that it just drove by twice now. So, I don't know. And hopefully at some point, like I said, it'll do the outside. Because it looks pretty shaggy. There is some settings in there to tell it to do the outside first, but I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, I think it's finishing up its third and final pass around the outside. Got closer. Definitely still needs some work. Grass was definitely taller than what it probably wants. And let's see if it's done now. I did fill in the hole back there, so hopefully next time it won't get stuck. I need to put the spikes in that still so it doesn't move around, and then take care of the wires because I had to move it. But there's the first mow, and I don't think it likes the rocks that much. I think one of those all-wheel drive ones would probably work better, of course. And there it is. Alright, so cut. We have, let's zoom in a little bit. We've got grass that looks like that. And let's see. I mean, that's how close it got to the edge. So it's definitely still going to need to be, edge trimmed or weed eated, whatever you want to call it. But, at least it'll keep the mowing part down. And once it recharges, because last time I looked at it, it was down to like 30%. I'll go ahead and have it run again and see how much it catches on the next run. I'll probably go ahead and do the weed eating now. Yeah, so that's where we're at. Looks all right. Hopefully it looks better after the next one.